everyone, and welcome to GoTax Live. So, for all our followers out there who really like tax, we welcome you all back again. And Lyndall, what was the last count of those? One follower. Way to go, Lyndall. We're a very popular tax news channel. Now, I've been told by that one follower that I look more intelligent in glasses. So today I'm going to leave my glasses on so I sound a bit smarter. Okay, Lyndall, we have some great questions in store today. Oh, hold on. I have to take glasses off because I can't read the script. So, Lyndall, we have some great questions in store today, so stick around. And at the end of this session, there is a special secret squirrel code. So, who do we have first, Lyndall?
We have Linda from Facebook. Hi GoTax, I have a vehicle that I use solely for my income. It needs a new motor. Is it 100% repair and maintenance, or are there rules to claiming? Thank you in advance for your reply.
Now, Lyndall and Linda, that was a very good question. Comes up every now and then. But we'll ask the taxman. What's the answer, Mr. Taxman? Yes, I'm shocked. Linda, yes, you can claim the motor on your tax return. Woohoo! And there are two ways this needs to be done. Option 1. If the motor is just being repaired, you can claim a full tax deduction. Yes. Option 2. If you are replacing the motor, you don't get the full tax deduction up front, but you'll get it over a number of years. Hence, we call it depreciation. Thanks, Linda and Lyndall. So, Lyndall, who's next? Let's make it a nice short one.
Okay, we have Kyle from Bonnigan. The ambulance service I work for has released a fatigue management policy where it gives us recommendations on how to do our job, do it better and do it safer. These fatigue minimalisation strategies range from using coffee or caffeine to maintain alertness and fight fatigue to regular exercise or working out, or to increase or maintain fitness and stamina. Mark? Your valued customer is trying to ask you a question.
We have a valued customer?
We do. Kyle.
Oh, Kyle, welcome on deck. What was the question? Oh, I remember.
Now, would this mean that the coffees purchased on shift, with receipts of course, and things like gym memberships would be a tax deduction?
Oh God, Kyle, that's a pretty good question, but who do we normally ask? Look, we're going to have to get a tax woman instead of a tax man. I'm sick of asking the tax man. Okay, let's ask the tax man. No. Oh, bad luck, Kyle. Unfortunately, in your situation, your gym membership is considered a private expense unless you are required to maintain a very high level of fitness, i.e. SAS. Your coffees are also considered to be a private expense unless you're required to travel overnight for work or you have received an overtime meal allowance. In your case, Kyle, you cannot claim a tax deduction for those either. Okay, Lyndall. What exciting, riveting question have we got now?
We have Cara from Moreton Bay region, and she's messaged me and asks, I work in a gym, can I claim my joggers?
Cara, I don't like where this is going. And this one actually sucks. But anyway, let's ask the tax man. This is similar to the pink heels question sent in by Cindy the other week. You can check out that video on YouTube if you want, and like us, and befriend us, and get very cozy with us. But no, you cannot claim it as a tax deduction. Cara, the tax office views footwear as conventional. What that means is that it is considered everyday use. People wear runners all the time. So, Cara, you cannot claim your joggers. Well, that wraps up another fantastic segment of GoTax Live. Our winning question today goes to Cara from Moreton Bay. So congratulations, Cara. Send us your details and we will post out our fantastic prize pack, which you've all seen before, So we're going to show you again. There we go. Oh, that's the Freddo frog in there jumping around. Stay tuned for more exciting tax videos coming soon. And the secret squirrel code for today is GoTax Man 10. So if you bother to use our fantastic, great website to do your tax return, you enter that into the discount code and you will get $10 off your tax return. Go Tax!